I don't know what to do. I don't even have an intro yet.
Yes you do.
I do?
The one you made 8 years ago.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
So here's the situation. I'm not famous. Most of the people in my region don't even know I exist. I don't have any money to spend on any creator to shout me out. So what options do I have to make people know that I exist, that I create? Hey, I'm fucking here. I'm creating. I don't have any options, right? Or do I?
Well, we need exposure, right? Oh shit, we're stuck.
Okay, listen up. How about you make a sign that says Freywap on it and you run around Laguna Lake. Any takers? Joffrey? Yan ba kaya ayos yan? Josh Free? How about you? Well, couldn't hurt, bro. Girlfriend? Yes! Mafia Free? I don't care how you fucking do it. You just do it or I'm going to break your fucking kneecaps. Wait. But this first one's just a warm-up, okay? We don't want to overdo it because we don't want to fucking die.
We're gonna have a warm-up of running 4.3 kilometers, well, 8.6 kilometers actually, because we are also going to run back going home while carrying our YouTube signage.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
It broke down. It actually broke down pretty easily. I mean, I was just like 50 meters away from home. What if I just hold it like this? I mean, while running, you see, you can. It's fucking heavy though. Fuck it. Woo! Well, we need exposure, right? Oh shit, they're stuck. At least this is gonna do it. See that thing? It's called a grinder, I think. This statue is a statue of a gilingan, or stone grinder, or grindstone, which is an old-fashioned rice grinder traditionally used for making local delicacies such as kalamay, puto, and latik, which are specialties of the town. Do I think this warm-up is worth it? Well, you tell me. While I was making this video, I kept getting reminded of that one Stanley video where he says,
If you have an idea that you genuinely think is good, don't let some idiot talk you out of it.
Because if you actually fully believe in a good endeavor that you have and you take action into it, like you fully fucking believe in yourself, who's gonna fucking stop you?